Attached to and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by municipality garnered by each candidate. Iping Estabilia, with a number of votes garnered 118,707. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidates as the duly elected member, Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Bohol, 2nd Provincial District in the province of Bohol. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the province of Bohol is May 13, 2025 at 12 o'clock a.m. And we have signed Attorney Lavaria Eliseo, Chairperson. Attorney Fiscal Ahat Nilo, Vice Chairperson. Luares Faye, Member Secretary. Congratulations.
Ako i-proclaim na yan. Isolong mo? Ako gusto mo? Ibog i-proclaim na yan. Kaduha pa proclaim mo. Ay, pa-picture na. Ano na kaya ating ikaw i-proclaim?
Isa ka pa rin mo.
Isa ka pa rin. Alright. Thank you. Picture. Pa-picture ba ako? Nagano ba? Hindi ko.